Hello everybody, it is Xtimus here, and today we are back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reduce the image size in pixels. So first of all, you have to go to Image in the top. First of all, you have to go to Image in the top left, and then you have to click on Image Size. And then you will find here centimeters, and then click on this, and then click on Pixels. And yes, you can change your size of the image. So for example, if I wanted a 720 pixel image, you can do 1280 to 720. It just did it for me. Anyway, now it's a 1280 pixel by 720 pixels. And then you can click on OK, and then yeah, the picture will slightly decrease. And yeah, that looks perfect. If you want to revert to the original picture size, then press Ctrl Z. It will undo what you just did. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like. It would be very appreciated. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.